Money is a lot like water, and it's like the precipitation cycle where it rains and then it falls into a river and then it flows downstream into the ocean and then it evaporates up into a cloud. Then the cloud moves and it rains somewhere else. Money is always moving. Money is never staying still. Even if you put your money into a bank, the bank is using that money. The bank is either lending that money out or investing that money. When you have money in your pocket or in your bank, you spend it on things. So it goes to another company and that company uses that money for other things. Exactly. If you go buy a Starbucks, you've spent the money has moved. Starbucks buys cups or beans from Colombia, the money moves again. Money is always moving. And if you want to get very rich, what you have to do is identify ways in which money is moving and put yourself in the middle.
Myron Golden's formula to build wealth in 2025. Greetings from the channel again. Myron Golden, a business coach, author, and expert in wealth building, is sharing a significant message with us today. His How to Become a Millionaire in 2025 video offers a useful roadmap rather than just a motivating speech. Stay close, because we'll walk you through every stage if you're serious about making 2025 your big year, when you stop restricting your financial potential and begin creating wealth for future generations. The core formula: mindset plus skill set plus tool set equals assets. Myron Golden's lectures are based on a simple but profound formula: assets equals mindset plus skill set plus tool set. Let's explore this. Your internal narrative is your mindset. How you see opportunities and whether you think you can seize them depends on your beliefs and level of confidence. Even the finest methods won't work if you don't have the correct mentality. Your skill set consists of your real abilities in marketing, sales, communication, leadership, and negotiation. These are the skills that enable you to take advantage of chances. The infrastructure: digital platforms, artificial intelligence, automation, social media, and technology that may increase your productivity and reach is known as your tool set. These three components come together to form assets. The important thing to remember is that assets create income, not the other way around. An excessive number of individuals pursue income without first building assets. Myron tells us to reverse the order, concentrate on accumulating assets, and money will flow in. 1. Transform your mindset. You are bigger than your money. Myron's arguments about mentality are among his best. Making $1 million seems like an unachievable goal to many individuals. It sounds too large and unattainable. Myron, however, challenges that notion. According to him, if your vision and identity are bigger than that, $1 million isn't that much money. Consider that. Even a modest financial objective might seem daunting if you view yourself as insignificant. Your $1 million goal, however, becomes simply another step if you broaden your perspective. Instead of stating things like, "I could never do that," he urges viewers to instead say, "I am designed to generate wealth." Belief is the foundation of wealth. You have to believe that you are capable of more, according to your inner voice. Your behaviors will automatically begin to align with that vision once you believe it. 2. Calculate the million and divide it by steps. Doing the math is the second concept that Myron emphasizes. Many individuals struggle to generate money because they never divide their objectives into manageable chunks. Consider this. Earning $1 million annually seems daunting. Let's dissect it though. About $83,000 a month is equivalent to $1 million annually. That comes to around $19,000 a week. This equals $2,700 a day. The million doesn't seem so unattainable now. You just need to find a way to make that much money every day. According to Golden, his customers have made millions of dollars in a single hour. Not because they were fortunate, but rather because they understood arithmetic and value creation. Quit seeing $1 million as a single enormous figure. Divide it into weekly or daily goals and create procedures to regularly meet them. Become, do, have. Myron presents the BDH, a potent framework. Become, develop your character, identity, and attitude. 4th, transition from worker to owner. Moving away from exchanging time for money is another idea that Myron emphasizes. The majority of individuals work occupations where they trade hours for money for the rest of their lives. It's a trap. A paycheck is not the source of wealth. Wealth is derived from assets such as companies, systems, intellectual property, or investments that bring in money whether or not you are actively working. Such wealth is more important than ever in 2025. Automation, internet enterprises, AI-powered technologies, and digital items let you create revenue streams that grow significantly beyond your time. Don't just try to make money. Try to be the owner. Even when you're not actively working, ownership creates money that continues to increase. Bits of wisdom, the size of tweets. As he spoke, Myron delivered catchy one-liners that rapidly changed your viewpoint. Here are several to have on hand. It's easier to make $1 million than it is to stay broke on $30,000 a year. Don't listen to your inner voice telling you that $1 million is too big for you. BDH. Do, have, become. Fruit, root, and trunk. Get yourself ready or not. Your moment is approaching. Why this is important in the context of 2025. Now, Myron's formula is stronger than ever in 2025, despite being ageless. Today's context. The mindset of many is affected by inflation, global instability, and rapid technological change, which decrease their ambitions. Today, more than ever, we need bold thinking. Bringing it all together. The 2025 Wealth Formula. Let's recap and structure this into actionable steps you can apply right now. A. Reframe your mindset. Stop limiting beliefs. Start declaring, I am designed to generate wealth. Break your $1 million goal into daily and weekly targets. Track and measure progress consistently. C. Become before you do. Invest in your identity, personal growth, and skills. Focus on becoming the person capable of wealth. D. Build assets, not just income. Shift from employee to owner. Use digital platforms, automation, and investments. E. Create high-value offers. Solve real problems. Build an audience and deliver solutions at scale. F. Apply the formula mindset plus skill set plus tool set equals assets. When you align all three, wealth becomes inevitable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.